Hello viewers, today we will learn how we can add subtitle in our video. We will use a website which will automatically add subtitle to our video. Let we have this video which does not have any subtitle and we will add subtitle to this video by using a website. This website will automatically add a subtitle to this video. Let's see how we can do it. First step is to open your browser. Then type in search bar www.veed.io. Then click enter. This is the link www.veed.io. Click this link. Now click on upload your video. Now click on browse to upload your video. Click on the video you want to add subtitle in it. Then click open. Then click on I will explore on my own. Then scroll down here and click the subtitles. This video is uploading. After uploading we can add subtitle to in video. For this please wait for video to upload. 68% uploading has completed. After 100% we will add auto subtitle to our video. Upload has been completed. Now we will click automatically add subtitle to our video. Click it. Select the language you want. I am selecting English. Then create subtitle. This will take some time to add subtitle to our video. Then we will download our video. Now the subtitle have been added to our video. These are the subtitle. These subtitle match with your time period of the video. All the subtitles have been added to our video. Now we will export. Click on export. Export video with watermark which is unpaid free for us. Click on export video. Now this video is preparing to be downloaded. After this process has been complete, we will download it. If you want to save this video on this website, you can go to sign up and create an account in it. Then this video will be saved here. You can come here anytime and download it again. If you will not make an account in it, this video will automatically disappear from this website after 24 hours. So if you want to keep your video in this website, you can go for sign up and create account on this veed.io.com. Now the process has been completed. Now click on download to download this video. Click what you want to download, MP4 or MP3. I am clicking on MP4. The download process has been started. And if you want to be saved your video on this website, click continue with Google. Click on the email account you want to make your account on it. I am clicking on this. My account has been created. After some time this video will be saved on my account and I can download it anytime I want. Now the video have been downloaded. Click on this show in folder. Click on play. Double click on this.
Imagine you're at work and realize
Now,
that you might
this is
not
how
have turned off the air
our
conditioner
video
while
will
leaving
look
your
like
house.
after we have
Instead of traveling all
added
the way back
subtitle
home,
to our video
what if you could use your
automatically.
smartphone to know the smartphone? But now with T.
Subscribe to our channel for the videos like this. We will catch up you in the next video. Till then, see you.